going to be filling holes, and we are also going to be sanding down the walls to make them even much smoother. I do not have the product that makes it smoother, and I do not know how to apply it, so I have resoluted into sanding down the walls prior to me priming. But before we prime, also we are going to be waterproofing the bottom of my my walls, my exterior walls. So let's get into this video. Okay, so now I am going to move on to waterproofing my walls on the inside, and then later on I will move on to the outside. And this is the product that I'm going to use. I'm first going to start with this one on the wall, and then I will move on to this one. It's a fiber cord waterproofing that I'm gonna use at the right at the bottom on top of this. This is recon cement and concrete additive. This one, and I am going to be using this brush but first because when I was covering my holes, I did use a product, but I didn't mention what product that is. But before I send it down, I quickly want to show you guys which product I used. It's a crack filler, but this is the crack filler that I used. So this is the crack filler that I used. I used the 3 times strength. It's by Powerfix. So yeah, let's just quickly move on to sanding down my my wall where I was using this product, and then we'll then do the next step of waterproofing. So this is how it looks after I closed all this unevenness that was there, and then at the bottom it was holes. If I saw them, and these were holes as well, the side, and there was that side where I couldn't even use the plaster or the cement plaster on this, so I opted to use this option and see how it works. Okay, here I'm just gonna use my sand paper, which I have removed from my sanding machine, because it doesn't, because of the regular bars here, it doesn't go in. So I am just going to use my sanding paper like that. Hi guys, welcome back. So today we are going to be